0.87 इंटू काय एफ वाय इंटू AST इंटू ZU ची व्हॅल्यू काय D मायनस 0.42 इंटू XU that's 0.87 into FY value is 415 into AST 804.24 into D 450 minus 0.42 into XU value
175.34.
34. So what is the answer?
109.28 to 6.
0.28 into 10 raised to 6.
109.28
9.28 into 10 raised to 6.
into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm per 9. Okay, this is the final answer. So we have to check. This question is asked during the summer 90. Summer 90. Yes, here it is. A beam having the dimension 230 mm by 550 mm effective reinforced 4 bars of the 16 mm diameter on tension side. Calculate ultimate moment resistance of beam if M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel are used. Okay, here is the final answer. That is the 109.28 into 10 raised to 6, and our answer is so correct. Okay. This question is for 6 mark. Where 6 mark are rise? To calculate the AST is 1 mark. To calculate XU is 1 mark. To calculate XU max is 1 mark. To put the for final answer is given the 1 mark. 2 marks. Okay, this is our final answer. For next, a beam of 230 mm by 500 mm, the effective size carries factored bending moment of 175 kilonewton meter if concrete M20 grade and steel grade Fe500 are used. Find the area of steel required. This question is asked during the summer 19 exam for 6 mark. Okay, first of all, write the given data. The effective dimensions are the given. That is the B is equal to B is equal to 300 mm. Then depth is also given. Depth is equal to 500 mm. And also movement is a given. This movement is factored movement. Okay. So directly we are taking the mu value 175 kilonewton mm meter. So convert into Newton mm 175 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. के लक्षात आलं का MU लिमिटिंग व्हॅल्यू कशी घेतली ती? इथं 1.5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागत नाही, कारण का ही मुवमेंट आहे ती फॅक्टर्ड मुवमेंट असं सांगितलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, फॅक्टर्ड मुवमेंट आहे म्हणताना आहे असं घ्यायचं. जर फॅक्टर्ड नसती तर मात्र 1.5 ने तुम्हाला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागलं असतं. आलं लक्षात? ओके. Grade of concrete is given, that is the FCK. FCK is equal to 20 Newton per mm square. Fy is also given. Fy is equal to 500 Newton per mm square. And find the area of steel. AST is equal to question mark. So how it is calculated? AST. Any guesses?
MU limiting.
Okay, first of all, we have to compare the MU value and the MU limiting value. MU is given, so first of all, we have to calculate MU limiting. MU limiting value is for Fe 500 grade 0.133 FCK into BD square. Right, 0.133 into FCK is given, that is the 20. B, okay, width of beam is also given, that is the 300, and depth of beam is also given, that is the effective depth 500 square, and the answer become
199.5 into 10 raised to 6.
this value is in Newton mm. Okay, so now we have to compare the MU and the MU limiting value. MU is, so what is the condition? MU is less than MU limiting, hence section is, what is section? Under reinforced.
Under
Section is under reinforced. To find out the AST, we have to use formula, that is the AST is equal to 0.5 Fy in FCK upon Fy into 1 minus square root. Okay, first of all I will write the formula. AST is equal to 0.5 into FCK upon Fy in bracket 1 minus square root, again 1 minus 4.6 into MU limiting, MU value divided by FCK into FCK BD square. And the whole things into B into D. Now put the all values and find the area of steel. 0.5 FCK is 20. Fy is given, that is the 500. 1 minus 0. Square root 1 minus 4.6 into MU value is, what is the MU value? What is the MU value?
175 into 10 raised to 6.
175 into 10 raised to 6. This is the mu value. FCK grade of concrete is also given, that is the 20. Width of beam is also given 300 into depth of beam is also given, that is the 500, and the whole things into 300 into 500. So what is the AST?
957.94 mm square.
957 into 10⁻³
नाही काय सर
एवढं same.
एवढंच आहे
mm square. Okay. So let's check. Okay, here is the same question. A beam of 300 by 500 mm effective size carries the factored bending moment 175 kilonewton meter if factored if concrete M20 and the steel grade Fe 500 are used. Find the area of steel required. Okay, here is the 2 marks for calculating mu limiting. Okay, here is the mu limiting value is 201 and our mu limiting value is 199. Okay, it is fractional difference because we are taking 0.133 and the okay, in MSBT answer it is taken as 0.134. Let me check what is the correct value. Okay, it is correct value 0.133. So our answer is also correct. This also answer is also correct. We have to compare the mu and the mu limiting. Just wait. Okay, now compare the mu and mu limiting value. Mu is less than mu limiting and section is under enforced. And the final answer is become 957.94. Okay, same answer. The question is answer is correct. Okay. Now move forward for the next question. State the value of the partial safety factor of partial factor of safety for steel and the concrete. Okay, this question is also covered in last lecture. That is the for concrete. For concrete, it is 1.5, and for steel,
1.15
1.5. This is the simple question. Okay, which are repeatedly asked. Okay, it is for the 4 marks. It will give the 4 marks. Next question. Okay, this question is from the winter 18 exam for 6 marks. Find the mu limiting. Sorry, find the limiting moment of resistance and the steel required for a beam of 300 by 600 mm. These dimensions are the effective if concrete M25 and the Fe 415 steel are used. Okay, we have to find out the ME limiting value and the steel required. Okay. First of all, we are going to find the ME limiting value. Write down the given mu limiting is equal to question mark. Then B is a given is equal to 300 mm. Depth is also given. D is equal to 600 mm. Effective dimension. FCK is also given. FCK is 20 Newton per mm square. Fy is also given. Fy is 415 Newton per mm square. Now directly going for the answer. MU limiting for grade 415 steel 0.138 into FCK into BD square. Okay, put the value 0.138 into FCK is 25. Sorry, here we are taking the 20 value. It is 25. 25 into depth is given, that is the 600 square. The answer become
210 at 10 6.
सर बी घेतला नाही की बी 300
बरोबर B राहिलं. B is not
372.6 into 10 raised to 6
0.38 372.6
हा
raised to 6. This value is Newton mm. Now mu is calculated, first answer is obtained, and now we have to calculate the steel required. And how it is obtained? Any guesses? AST is equal to, okay, we have to assume the balanced section. By assuming balance CU is equal to TU. CU value is 0.36 into FCK into XU into XU max. Sorry, XU into B is equal to 0.87 into Fy into AST. Now let's look the what values we are given. 0.36 is a constant, so take as it is. 0.36 into FCK is a given, that is the 25. To calculate the XC value, we have to use the formula. Okay, what is that formula? 0.36, sorry, 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 into FCK into B. Okay, here is the formula. We are calculated in last. Okay, to calculate the XC value, we have to use that value, this formula 0.87 Fy into AST. 0.30 divided by 0.36 FCK into B. पण या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये आपल्याला AST काढायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, AST माहित नाही, AST फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, म्हणताना हा फॉर्म्युला आपण यूज करू शकत नाही. नंतर त्यासाठी काय करायचं आहे, इथे XV घ्यायच्या ऐवजी फक्त इथं काय घ्यायचं आहे, XV मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची. इथं काय घ्यायचं, XV घ्यायच्या ऐवजी XV मॅक्स. मग XV मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू काय आहे,
0.48.
415. XV मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू 0.48 into 600 into B. B is given, that is the 300 is equal to 0.87 into Fy is given, that is 415 into AST we have to calculate. Okay. Now make this calculation. 0.36 into 25 into 0.48 to 600 into 300. 777.6 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to, and make this value, make this calculation, 0.87 into 415,
2.15 into 10 raised to 3.
AST.
AST is equal to 2.15 into 10 raised to
AST is equal to 2.15 into 10 raised to 3.
Now AST is equal to 777.6 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 361.05 is equal to 777.6 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 361.05. 2.15
into 10 raised to 3.
into 10 raised to 3.
सर काहीतरी गडबड झाल्यागत वाटायला, बघूया काय झालं गडबड. Unit mm square. Okay. Now check for the winter 18 exam. Okay, बरोबर आलं, काय अडचण नाही. Find the mu limiting value of the limiting moment of the moment of resistance and the steel required for the beam 300 by 600 effective if concrete is M25 and Fe 415 steel are used. Okay, XU max काढलेला आहे 288 याचा काय वापर, mu limiting डायरेक्ट काढले इथं 372.6 into 10 raised to 6. mu limiting व्हॅल्यू 372.6 into 10 raised to 6 बरोबर आलं. त्यानंतर AST काढलाय 2.15 आलंय आपलं, 2.15 into 10 raised to 3 यांचं आलंय 2153.71, म्हणजे तेवढंच, काय अडचण. ओके, डन. काय अडचण आहे का याच्यामध्ये?
No, sir.
Move forward. Calculate AST required for RCC section 200 by 450 effective to resist an ultimate bending moment of 550 kilonewton meter. Assume M30 concrete of Fe415 steel. This question is asked for 6 marks during the winter 18 exam. Right from the given. What are the given? AST required is equal to question mark. And the B is a given. It's 200 mm. And also D is a given. That is a 450 mm. Resist ultimate bending moment. आता ही व्हॅल्यू नुसती m ची दिल्या का mu लिमिटिंग mu ची दिल्या
MU ची
mu ची दिल्या मग याला 1.5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं का नाही
नाही करायचं.
नाही करायचं कारण का ही अल्टिमेट व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे म्हणताना ॲज इट इज घ्या 150 किलो न्यूटन एम मीटर. आता याचं न्यूटन mm मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं 150 into 10⁶ न्यूटन mm. आलं लक्षात. Okay, assume FCK is given 30 Newton per mm square. Fy is given, that is the 415 mm square. Okay, now calculate AST. कसा काढायचा आता AST?
कम्पेअर करायचं MU
कम्पेअर
Limited find out
करायचं
करावे.
MU लिमिटिंगला कम्पेअर करायचं त्यासाठी पहिला MU लिमिटिंग काढलं पाहिजे. मग 415 ग्रेड साठी MU लिमिटिंग किती असते 0.133
138
FCK into BD. ओके 0.138 FCK किती दिले 30 इंटू B किती दिले 200 इंटू D किती 450 चा वर्ग. किती आलं उत्तर
167.67
into 10⁶.
135
करा .74 into 10.
ओके जरा वेट जस्ट वेट. हा 167.67 167.67 into 10⁶ and this value is in Newton mm. Okay, now compare the MU and MU limiting. For this condition MU is less than MU limiting, hence section is under reinforced. Okay. Since section is under reinforced, we have to use formula, that is the AST is equal to AST is equal to 0.5 into FCK divided by Fy in bracket 1 minus square root 1 minus 4.6 into MU divided by FCK into BD square. And the whole things into B into D. Okay. Put the all values. .5 into grade of concrete is 30. Fy is 415. 1 minus square root 1 minus 4.6. MU value is MU ची value किती आहे
150
150 into 10⁶.
150 into 10⁶. divided by grade of concrete 30 दिले FCK into B ची व्हॅल्यू 200 into D ची व्हॅल्यू 450 आणि ह्या सगळ्याला गुणुले 200 गुणुले 450 किती आलं
1114.66 mm².
1114.66 mm².
1.11 पण येऊ शकते ना.
इंटू 10³ लिहिलं तर सर चालतंय 1.11 इंटू 10³ असेल तर बरोबर आहे.
हो.
हा जर 1.11 नुसतं असेल तर चुकीचं आहे. इंटू 10³ असेल तर बरोबर आहे. ओके झालं का एवढंच काढायचं का PST एवढंच काढायचं ठीक आहे बघूया चेक करूया. विंटर 18 calculate AST required for the RCC section 200 by 450 effective resist ultimate bending moment 150 हा ओके झाले बरोबर 1111.14 into 10.66 mm². Okay, this is the correct answer. Now justify the over reinforced section are disallowed in limit state. ओके कालच्या लेक्चरला झाले हे जे दोन कारण सांगितली. ओके कुठली दोन कारण justify over reinforced section are disallowed in limit state. पहिल्यांदा काय होते ते ओव्हर reinforced असल्यामुळं कॉन्क्रीट पहिल्यांदा फेल होते त्याच्यामुळं क्रॅक्स त्याच्यामध्ये डेव्हलप होत नाहीत कुठलंही प्रायर म्हणजे वॉर्निंग न देता ते फेल होते. आणि दुसरं कारण काय if section is over reinforced the first concrete will be failed. Okay section जर over reinforced असेल तर कॉन्क्रीट पहिल्यांदा फेल होणार which is not gives any sign of failure like it will produce the crack and the beam are suddenly failure. Okay which are causes the losses of life किंवा death of life. Okay डेथ पेक्षा इथं लॉसेस हा शब्द जरा व्यवस्थित वाटतो. आणि दुसरं कारण काय मोमेंट ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स विल नॉट इन्क्रीजेस ओके इवन इफ नंबर ऑफ बार आर इन्क्रीज. ही दोन कारणामुळं आपण ओव्हर reinforced सेक्शन लिमिट स्टेट मध्ये अलाउ करत नाही. बरोबर. दुसरं ड्रॉ द स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन डायग्राम फॉर डबली रेनफोर्स्ड सेक्शन. हे डबलीचा प्रश्न आहे हे चुकून आला सिंगली रेनफोर्स्ड करायचं सिंगली पाहिजे म्हणजे ऍक्च्युली जे स्कीमचा क्वेश्चन पेपर आहे जी स्कीमला डबली साठी सुद्धा ब्लॉक डायग्राम होती आता आय स्कीमला फक्त सिंगली साठी आहे. मग सिंगलीची ब्लॉक डायग्राम तुम्हाला माहिती आहे कशी आहे ती इथं ड्रॉ करायची. आलं लक्षात. ही सिंगलीची ब्लॉक डायग्राम आहे हे तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करायचे आहे. इथं सेक्शन काढायचं इथं स्ट्रेस डायग्राम काढायचं इथं स्ट्रेन डायग्राम काढायचं. येईल का ड्रॉ करता.
येस सर.
ठीक आहे थांबतोय काय दोन क्वेश्चन पेपर झाले. काय शंका आहे का कोणाला.
नो सर.
ओके थांबूया मग इथं.
ओके सर.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.